Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting a Windows error 2 occurred while loading the Java VM. So if you're trying to launch the Launch Anywhere software and other programs that maybe require a user account in order to access, and you're getting this pop-up, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to start by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but you want to navigate over to google.com, and into Google you want to just type in Java download. One of the best results should be for download free Java software. Just left click on that to select it. And then on this page you want to select the free Java downloader. And then just left click on agree and start free download. Okay, so once the download is finished, just going to left click on the file one time to begin running it. You can minimize or close out of your web browser at this time. Doesn't really need it anymore. If you receive a user account control prompt, left click on yes. It's going to say welcome to Java. Left click on install. Okay, so it should say you've successfully installed Java. Left click on close. I would suggest restarting your computer, and hopefully that should resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.